Today I am sharing one of my favorite homemade breads ever. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly puffed pita bread. Honestly, I used to think pita bread would be super hard to make at home. But the first time I saw it puff up like a balloon on a pan, I got so excited. And trust me, once you make it fresh at home, store bought pita just doesn't taste the same anymore. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, I am taking 1 cup of warm water and adding 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast along with 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is going to give that yeast a little energy boost to activate faster. Mix it well and leave it for about 10 minutes. You will notice it become all frothy. That's how you know it's working. Now set the mixer aside in a separate bowl. I have got 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of pink salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We will slowly add our yeast mixture into this flour, a little at a time, and mix gently. Don't rush, let it come together naturally. Once it's mixed, we are going to knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Trust me, the effort is worth it. Now gather the dough into a bowl and coat it with a bit of oil to prevent it from drying out. Cover it with a cloth and leave it in a warm spot for 45 minutes to an hour to rise. The dough will almost double in size. It's like magic. After an hour, look at that. The dough has puffed up beautifully. Now we need to remove the air from the dough by giving it a quick knead again. Then divide it into 8 equal parts. Time to shape the pita. Take one of the dough ball, dust it with a bit of flour and roll it out into a round shape. Isn't that easy? Now let's cook them. Heat a tawa or skillet on a medium high. Place the pita on a hot surface and once you see little bubbles form, flip it. The magic happens when it starts to puff up. Just gently press the sides and the whole pita will inflate into a perfect pocket. Look at this beauty. I have cut one in half and you can see it forms a lovely pocket just waiting to be filled with your favorite goodies. Whether you are making a falafel wrap or filling it with the hummus, this pita bread will be your new go-to. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family and hit that subscribe button so you will never miss another episode of Rinkus Rasoi. Until next time, happy cooking!